In this short video, I'm going to show you the basics of how you create an interactive call plan and activate it. So I'm going to keep this really simple, and all you do to start with is click up here at the top where it says routing. Then you'll automatically see the service numbers that you have assigned, and in this instance we're going to pick this service number here to work with as it's our interactive number. So we click on that. And the next step is to create a service number group, because what we're going to do is we're going to assign a routing plan to that specific group. So the first thing we have to do is create a name for our service number group. So we're going to keep this simple and call it service number group 4. So it's number 4. And there are a number of things that you can do on this page that we're not going to cover off at the moment. All you can see here is actually that the interactive number has started to assign itself to this group, and in order to finish that process at this point in time, all we want to do is click save. So we'll do that and we'll see that changes have been successfully saved, and we now have our service number group 4. So the next stage is to build a routing plan to assign to that specific group. So we're going to do that by clicking here on routing plans. We're going to create a brand new routing plan. So keep that nice and simple. All we do is click on new. And as with the service number groups, we have to create a name for our routing plan. So we will call this routing plan 5. We can ignore the rest of this for now and just click save. Once you've done that, head back over to routing plans, and we can see that routing plan 5 is now here and available for us to start creating. So what we'll do now is we'll click on that. Once we do that, we're taken to a slightly different screen. This screen is our visual call builder screen, and in here this is where we build our call flows. We build our call flows using a number of different icons. What we're going to do in this instance is keep it really simple. So we're just going to set up an icon to tell that specific interactive number to route to a destination telephone number. So in order to do that, on this icon here where it says not defined, all you do is right click on it, select replace, and select the destination icon. As you can see, that now changes it. The next thing we have to do is assign a specific telephone number to that destination icon, so the interactive number can route to it. So to do that, double click on the icon and you'll see that this properties section appears. We can ignore everything else in the visual call builder section for now, because all we need to do is work in this properties section. So what you do in the mode tab here is change this from phone book entry to external telephone number. And then we need to go to settings, and in the settings section add in the telephone number that we want it to route to. Then click apply, and you'll see that in the destination icon that telephone number will be populated here at the bottom of it. To finish this part of the process, all you do is click save. Once the call flow has been saved, click on the close button, and that will take you back to the manage portal, and you can see your routing plans. The next step for us is to assign that routing plan to our service number group. So all you need to do is go back up here to service number groups, select the service number group that we were working with, which is service number group 4, and then here where it says routing plans, click on the drop down, select routing plan 5, you can select a date from and to around when you want that activated from and to. In this instance, as a default, it's from today to the 31st of December 2099. Click Add. Simply select the first code, which is 00, because we're only using one routing plan here. We need to start with the first one. If you were assigning a number of different routing plans at different dates, then you would select different codes here. And then to finish off this part of the process, click Save. Go back to service numbers and then return to service number groups, and we can see now that service number group 4 has routing plan 5 assigned to it. So that's it. That's how you create an interactive call plan and activate it.